welcome to my first video log, I guess. I'm going to make a new shed, so a lot of you guys already know. So the place where I want to build the shed, let me see if this works. Yes, this works perfectly fine. Is over there, 2 trees. So I already started to cut away some of those branches. Got one big branch here. We'll cut that down with the chainsaw. But I hired a platform to work the higher parts of the tree, because I cannot reach that with the small stairs I have. But a chainsaw, really awesome stuff, of course. But yeah, I'm going to make some video log or vlog episodes of this. Hope you guys like that. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of videos. So there will be building of my new shed, the new Metalscrapper Heaven. Right, so let's cut this big branch in smaller pieces. We'll have the other branches also in smaller pieces, so they will fit inside the car. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so this was it. I think the rest of the branches can be cut down with the manual handsaw. So we have made some space. Hope the let's get you to the other side of the camera. Hope the platform will fit here. Even scooped away some of the years of collecting of garden stuff. Pretty much piled up here. Got all the branches, and I got a friend of mine which will help me removing all the branches with a car behind his own car. So yeah, tomorrow we'll get the platform and we're going to cut down these trees. That's my son calling for me. Alright, so yeah, I have lowered the quality of my videos because I think I will put a tripod over there or something, and so we can film the stuff we're doing. Right, see you tomorrow. Alright guys, so the next day, it's beautiful weather to work, I guess, but it's a little bit windy. We're just at the limits of this platform, so we rented this one. First time we'll be using it. So first we'll set these, we call them stamples, and that translates literally to stamps, I guess. Not sure. If you know that, let me know in the comments. Not going to find everything through Google Translate, but a little bit excited. Just got it here. So yeah, I think I will set up the tripod and we'll see how this will go. First we'll read a little bit how this machine works, and then you'll see it. Alright. everybody, good morning. I'm a little bit tired of yesterday. This is what we did yesterday. So both trees are mostly gone. The leftovers I can cut down myself. So yeah, today we'll try to get rid of much of the branches that are lying around. And we will first bring back the platform, and then I got one of my neighbors offered me to lease a car for a day, so I can get a lot of branches to the recycling center. So that's stuff we're going to do right now. But first, I'm enjoying a cup of coffee. First coffee, then work. Okay, so we just got the stamps, the feet of the machine up again. And two stamps on this side were lying under the branches, so but we managed to remove them. Give it a quick brush to clean it. And then we're off, getting this back. The rest of the day will be removing all these branches. Got a small car of a friend of mine, and yeah, like I said, my neighbor offered me a bigger car for today. So I hope to bring maybe 1/3 or maybe half of these branches away, and in a couple of days we'll fill this car and bring the other stuff away. So let's do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a big trailer here. We already filled this one before, emptied it at the recycling center, and this is what we have. And the big logs I will cut in smaller pieces that will fit in the furnace. Alright, so I'm going to bring this load away, and I think that will be the last one because they will close 12 o'clock I guess, and it's now 11 o'clock, so yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so small update again. Most of the stuff is gone right now, all the branches. And this is bringing it to the other side. All the branches are gone. We got to borrow a big car of my, not this car, this is from my friend, but from the neighbor. I got to rent a car. And this will be actually day 4. So last week Friday we started cutting the trees down with the platform. The Saturday we started to removing branches, and last Saturday, it's Sunday right now, so yesterday we got the rest of the branches removed, so we got some space again. We'll clean this up later on. Well, all the big pieces of wood I will keep for the furnace inside the house or in the shed. In the future I'm planning to have a furnace in the shed. So we're splitting the wood right now, my son is doing that. And in the meanwhile we'll clean the chainsaw and cut these pieces of wood in smaller pieces, so the job will definitely be done. And the next thing will be removing the tree stumps, and I will ask my uncle for that, if he can get a crane from his work. So yeah, I think also the preparations for the floor will be made of the shed, so the concrete fence will have to go, stuff like that. But that will be for the next vlog. I will remove those trees over there, but first I have to clean the chainsaw. See you back in a bit. Alright, so we're back here in the garden near the stumps I want to cut down. I really need to clean the chainsaw. It has seen a fairly amount of use right now, so all the dirt is building up here and under here where the chain goes inside the machine. So I'll remove these plates. I'll get my finger out of the screen. I'll remove those plates, get the blade off, get the chain loose, and yeah, we'll clean it up and then we'll start using it again, cutting down those tree stumps. So I'll see you back when I'm done with this job. So I just cleaned the chainsaw, and we'll first remove this branch. It's the last branch that fell down and it's leaning on some smaller branches. Remove that, and then afterwards cut those trees down in small parts so we can chop them up with a fireplace. Alright, so we're taking a small break. The exhaust of the chainsaw is directly over there, you can see here, and it's facing towards the tree. And I already had one burnt pit, but the flames were really knocking on the wood here. So I'll have a small break, but we're almost there. I think, yeah, maybe 2 cuts and we're done with this one. And I think we have at least 10 cuts to do with this one. So, but first have a small break. As you can see, it's getting pretty, yeah, messy. Right, see you back after the break. Alright guys, so off camera I did the other, tree. It's all clear right now. I have to remove the bunny coop. So I just got the split axe to split some wood. Yeah, and it worked out, but it's not totally removed. It's just a tiny bit still standing here. But this will conclude the first part of removing the trees. But one was already has been removed. Other one was this. And yeah, this is the other one. So got a nice pile of wood. It's not everything we have. There's more. But this will, I'll let this dry for 1.5 or 2 years. And then we'll chop it up and put it in the fireplace. We got some dry wood. There was right here was a dead tree. Also removed that. When I was busy, I thought, well, you can see that on the video, I guess. So, yeah, this will conclude the video. Hope you guys like this video. Got a lot of light now. Next step will be digging out the tree stumps and digging away where my shed has to come. So, yeah, hope you guys like this video. If so, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe to see how I will make the shed. And I hope to be back at melding soon. It's a little bit busy. Had a rough month with the loss of a lot of animals. So, alright, this is it. See you in the next video. Will probably be the melding video, because the building the shed will take a little time, because I'm not a real builder. So it will be also a fairly long video. So this is it. Alright, thank you. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye.